Here I've got OPPO A5 2020 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and here go to ringtone, which is here. Click on OK to confirm that you agree with all the terms, and now you can come along with all the tunes. Let me show you, for example, 5 of them, starting with toys. And let me volume it up. Then click on silence. Let me check relax. Or childhood. And just pick the one that you like the most, click on it, mark it, and then the ringtone is changed. As you can see now, I stuck with childhood. So that would be all. This is how you can change ringtone in your OPPO A5 2020. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.